How to fix couldn't save contact changes problem solve in Android. So if you want to fix couldn't save contact problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your contacts application. Once you're under your contacts, you need to go with the plus which is on the bottom right, and here you need to enter the first name, last name, company, or a mobile number, email if you want to, or birthday, address. You need to just enter the information and go with save which is on the top, right? But if it's not saving, or if it could not save the contact, then what you need to do is try adding a short name. Like if you're using a long name with 3 to 4 words, then you might face some kind of problem. So make sure you go with a nickname or a short name, 1 or 2 words, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to search for Contacts application, and here this is the application. If you have any updates under your contacts, you need to just go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then just simply search for contacts, tap and hold on to it, and go with app info, tap on storage and cache, go with clear cache. And now you need to restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and restart, and after restarting, you'll be able to save your contacts. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.